Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Innovate. I am Raj. Are you looking creating multiple channels from your own Gmail ID, Gmail accounts? So let's go. I will show you how to set up multiple YouTube channels from just one email ID. Let's get started. First, we have to go to browser, any browser, open browser. Then you have to search YouTube Studio. It is YouTube Studio. Then make sure make sure from your Gmail ID, which from your Gmail ID do you want to open or create new channel. I am choosing my top of this. Now use your passkey to confirm. It's really you, so you have to confirmation it. Continue. Okay, here is my channel. Here is my channel. So I am choosing any of one, like this one. Okay, so continue. Here is continue. Then we have to go to setting, left side corner, left side. This is the screen of from setting. So go to advanced setting, scroll down, scroll down. Here is your other setting. In other setting, we have two options: manage YouTube accounts, remove YouTube account. So we have to choose manage YouTube account. So here is YouTube channel. So we have, here is channel status and features, add or manage your channels, view advanced settings. So so we have go to add or manage YouTube channel, your channel. So we create, so we have this screen, and we have to click on create a channel. So here is you enter your channel name, like abcd, like okay, I'm kids channel. Okay, okay, this is my channel. So check it here. So you have to verify by phone numbers. Here is my right now in Japan. So I am enter my phone number code confirmation. Your new channel is created. It's successfully created. So you have to like subscribe any channel.